Shoes and I will wear that dress. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out on the moonlit floor. Mommy, you want to know what's my surprise for Mother's Day? Here you go. Show them before you open. It says Happy Mother's Day, Mommy Candy. 5/24.
5 so sweet. Dear Mommy Candy, thank you for everything. And also
Happy early 40th
Wala pa.
birthday! Kahit May pa po.
Anong May?
It's May na po, di ba?
May
And,
pala.
yup.
Ano ba yun? Wala pa nga.
But you're gonna be on a 40.
I love you. That Happy Mother's Day nakalagay, hindi happy birthday. Ano ba yun?
No, it says here, and also happy early 40th birthday.
Ano ba yan? Sinabi ko. Sige na.
Bye guys! Mwah!
Naik ng ilang karasyon mo na ito talaga pangawalo.
We might not be walking across that stage with the cameras flashing. They've been waiting on our day. It's been a journey, hasn't it? I wouldn't trade a moment. No, I wouldn't change a moment. I'm who I am because of you. We've known each other our whole life, just a year or two, and I'm grateful for the time we put in. Journey hasn't ended. I wouldn't trade a moment. No, I wouldn't change a moment. I'm who I am because of you. We've known each other our whole life, just a year or two, and I'm grateful for the time we put in.
You may now go down and give your surprise to your parents. Go, Nathan.
So we could get to this moment.
To those who don't have card, you can go to your parents.
Throwing our caps in the air, but our spirit will rise anywhere. Remember our hallways.
I love you!
I wouldn't.
Doon ka dali doon. Doon kayo nila, Brent. Din. Brent, ayos ka.
Yes. Dami.
Happy Aba birthday. Alak ka tango. Pakanigat ka. Yung skin mo pakala sa tango. Kami madula. Happy birthday. Batasin natin, baka makarating.
Okay, go. Friends, sige, happy